Get ready to witness chaos on the high seas, split-second decisions, and million-dollar disasters that prove even the biggest vessels can make the biggest blunders. Today, we're diving into the most jaw-dropping ship collisions and shocking maritime mistakes ever witnessed at sea. Let's get started. Luxury yacht smashed by ferry while docking. A public ferry miscalculates and plows into a stationary luxury yacht in a marina. Bridge collapse after cargo ship impact. A giant cargo ship strikes a bridge pillar, causing a partial bridge collapse with dramatic debris. Sailboat disintegrates underneath a speeding freighter. A small sailboat gets crushed after drifting into the path of a commercial freighter. Harbor crane topples over from ship collision. A container ship misaligns during docking, knocking over a towering port crane. Tugboats lose control while towing oil barge. Tugboats spin out of control while towing a barge, smashing it into a nearby pier. Fishing boat rammed by research vessel in fog. In low visibility conditions, a high-tech research ship rams a small fishing trawler. Jump from cruise ship after engine fire near shore. A cruise ship catches fire near land, with people jumping into lifeboats in chaos. Massive iceberg crashes into tour boat in Arctic. A tourist vessel is struck by a falling piece of a calving iceberg, tilting dangerously. Military destroyer collides with civilian cargo ship at night. A dramatic nighttime scene of a Navy destroyer and a cargo ship with severe hull damage. Portside fire caused by collision sparks oil leak. A fiery scene at a shipping dock where a tanker hits a fuel line, igniting a blaze. Mega cruise ship crashing into dock. A massive cruise ship fails to slow down, tearing through the dock as onlookers flee. Narrow canal collision. Two tankers get stuck, side by side. Two large tankers scrape and wedge together in a narrow canal, blocking passage in both directions. Floating crane collides with lighthouse during tow. A floating crane drifts off course and knocks into a historic lighthouse along the coast. Submarine accidentally surfaces underneath cargo ship. A military sub emerges under a freighter, lifting and damaging its underbelly. Cruise ship grazes iceberg during party event. Guests dressed in formal wear look on in shock as their ship scrapes along an iceberg. Rescue helicopter nearly collides with ship's mast. A rescue attempt goes wrong as a helicopter nearly crashes into a ship's towering antenna. High-speed jet ski collides with tourist boat. A thrill seeker on a jet ski crashes into a slow-moving boat packed with tourists. Ship crashes into seaside restaurant pier during storm. A storm-blown ship smashes into a popular oceanfront restaurant pier at night. Mega ship stuck sideways in busy port channel. A mammoth ship gets lodged sideways, halting port traffic and causing a logistical nightmare. Container ship knocked over by rogue wave. In a stormy ocean, a colossal wave tips a container ship, sending containers tumbling into the sea. Don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button for more awesome journeys around our incredible planet. Until next time, stay curious. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.